I wanted to get your opinion on this. I told you I wanted to stay here forever.
I don't understand. What's going on here? Did you buy this? Is this...
Apologies for not consulting with you first, but it'll be comfortable.
So you're saying you're gonna live here?
We are going to live here.
Oh my god.
Go look at the view.
The view? Ah! Chef! Ah!
Go look.
Hello, Montauk! I can't believe it.
Believe it.
You're something else.